This is the best shop in Lumber Tycoon 2 that you can use to sell items super fast and earn tons of money, and this design ensures you have the best shop possible, but it also is quite simple to build. You don't need any complex materials, but anyway, this is literally the best shop, and it is quite simple to build. Starting with the shop, you will need 72 1/4 cherry wedges, 18 cherry large tiles, 4 cherry thin smooth walls, 4 cherry smooth walls, 12 cherry posts, 19 large oak tiles, 15 elm large tiles, and 2 elm small tiles. To fill up the blueprints you will need 784 cherry wood units, 92 elm wood units, and 114 oak wood units, which is the average of 6 cherry trees, 4 oak trees, and 1 elm wood trunk. That might seem like a lot of wood, but if you use the previous sawmill base you will get the blueprints in no time. Also buy 2 large glass panes, 2 glass doors, then 14 neon wires of whatever color, 7 white neon wires, and 1 lever. You can also get 4 of any item you want to decorate. Now we can start building. First, place all your large elm tiles into a 3x5 platform. Then place 2 large oak tiles on both sides. In the gap place 2 glass doors facing against each other. Then you will need to place a large oak tile by turning it. It should look like this. And even if you have difficulties and don't get to place it correctly, and it looks like this, you can just leave it like that, it doesn't matter. Then place 2 more large oak tiles, and once you're done, repeat what we did, but on the other side. Now at the back of the platform, place a large oak tile with the turning glitch, the same on the other side. Then finally place a large glass pane, another large oak tile, and another large glass pane. We're now done with the difficult part. Then take your large cherry tile, and place it here, for studs out. Then place a whole line of large cherry tiles. Like before, place down some guiding large tiles and continue building the roof. After place a 1/4 cherry wedge, and 5 more higher, so there are 6 wedges in total. Then place 6 wedges going down. Then keep placing wedges next to them, until you're done with the roof. The roof should look like this in the end. You still might notice that there is a massive hole. To patch it you will need to place a post, a thin smooth wall, another post, then 2 normal smooth walls, 2 posts on top, then finally a thin smooth wall, and 2 posts. Then simply repeat the same on the other side. Once you're done with the roof, you can still see that the interior of the shop is extremely dark. To fix this, first place a lever 5 studs away from the entrance. Then switch the lever on, and starting from the lever output, place all your white neon wires around the shop. When you finished placing wires, the shop should look like this. Of course, write the word shop with neon wires. Then you can place 2 small elm tiles, and place 2 items on them. With your remaining neon wires write the phrase cheap items on the roof. And also add 2 items. As you can see, our shop is already amazing. Now we can get to the most important part, the shelving. The materials you will need to build the shelves, start them from the loose item box, are 6 cherry floors and 3 wires, and to build the axe shelf you need 4 2/4 oak wedges, 2 oak smooth walls, 4 oak posts, 2 cherry smooth walls, and 3 wires. Then to build the large item shelf you need 2 large oak tiles and 6 wires. Finally, to build the 2 table shelves you need 4 long oak tables and 6 wires. Just in case you didn't know, wires are at Wood R Us. To build the loose item box, place 6 cherry floors in a form of a rectangular box. Then fill it up with any small loose item you want. And write the price with wire. To build the axe shelf, place 2 cherry smooth walls, then 2 oak smooth walls on top, then place your 2/4 oak wedges at the back of the smooth walls. Also I used a guiding blueprint and oak posts. Then place the axes that you want to sell, and write the price. To build the large item shelf, first temporarily move the white neon wire here, then place a large oak tile, and another one 4 studs away from the ceiling. After place the neon wire back. Then you can place some large items on it, like the big turkey, and the sleigh spawner, though I had to move and quit the large tile to fit it. Then of course write the price. Now the final shelves, the table shelves, just place 2 tables on top of each other 2 times. Then place all your medium-sized items on the shelves, and write the prices under. Now finally the storage cabins. To build one of them, you will need 4 large oak tiles, 8 small oak tiles, and 1 oak basic door. First place 4 oak large tiles in a form of a cube. Then place 4 small oak tiles on both sides. And finally place your door in the gap. You can build as many of these storage cabins as you want, but I built 2. And finally you can join my Discord server, and make a post in the trading channel to sell your items quicker. Subscribe because I have tons more useful videos like that, and now see how to build the simplest sawmill setup that lets you process wood extremely fast.